I am Dr. N.K. Venkataramana, neurosurgeon, Brains Super Speciality Hospital. Brain normally has electrical activity. Because of this continuous electrical activity in the brain cells and the chemical transformation and chemical messengers, brain communicates to the body to instruct and direct to perform all the duties that the body is doing today. Whenever there is a spark in these electrical signals, like what happens in our electricity, like a spark or a short circuit, then a spurge of electrical activity will take place in a particular area, resulting in shutting down of the rest of the brain activity, causing a seizure. So, when there is a sudden surge of electrical activity, now the person becomes unconscious, there can be violent movements. Automatically the activity stops because there is an exhaustion of all the chemical material during the seizure in the brain. But whenever there is a seizure or a convulsion, so there is a tremendous amount of electrical discharge in the brain, leading to damage to the surrounding area, what we call as scarring or a gliosis in the brain. So, repeated attacks can cause progressive damage in terms of intellectual decline, alertness can decline, learning abilities can decline, personality changes can happen, because more and more areas of the brain starts getting recruited and becoming abnormal. So, it is important that we make sure that we control the seizures as early as possible, so that we can limit the brain damage. So, this can be done because the moment you suspect there is some abnormal activity or a seizure, please consult a neurologist, so that we will evaluate, diagnose and give the appropriate treatment, and with good medicines we can control the epilepsy. So, therefore, we can protect the brain. The importance of epilepsy is that it will not come in the way of the life activities, education, marriage, driving, profession, any activity for the playing, any sports, whatever activity can be continued, provided you are compliant with the medicines and the epilepsy is under control. And if you make it chronic and it becomes irregular, then comes the trouble that they can sometimes be very difficult to control, and that can interfere with the life.